I'm going to explain logarithm. So logarithm is another way of expressing exponents. Logarithm is another way of expressing any exponential form. Like convert the following exponential form into logarithm form. So you know that 2 to the power 3 is 8. So this same expression can be written as log of 8 for base 2 equals to 3. I give you second example. Like as you know that 10 to the power 5 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. This. So in logarithm form, expression this expression can be written as log of 1 lakh for base 10 equals to 5. Like in number 3, you know that 10 to the power minus 3 equals to 1 upon 10 cube or 1 upon 1000 or 0.001. So since 10 to the power equals to 0.001, so if you want to express this in logarithm form, it will be written as log of 0.001 for the base 10 equals to minus 3. Okay. In this case, if 2 cube equals to 8, this can be written as log of 8 for base 2 equals to 3. Similarly, 10 to the power 5 equals to 1 lakh. So log of 1 lakh for base 10 will be 5. 10 to the power minus 3 equals to 0.001. So log of 0.001 for the base 10 will be minus 3. And this is the concept of logarithm. And this is the correlation between exponents and logarithm. Similarly, you can log of 16 for base 2. You can say it orally that 2 to the how much power is 16. So 2 to the power 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 2 to the power 4 equals to 16. So log of 16 for the base 2 equals to 4. Log of 625 for the base 5 will be, so you have to find 5 पे कितना पावर करेंगे कि 625 आ जाएगा. So 5 पे 5 5 जा 25, 25 5 जा 125 and 125 5 जा 625. So 5 to the power 4 equals to 625. इसका मतलब log of 625 for the base 5 equals to 4. Now suppose you have to find this thing, log of x for the base 2 equals to 5. So what is the value of x? So it means you have to find So it means x will be equal to 2 to the power 5. This means x equals to 32. I give you another example. Log of x for 5 equals to 0.5. No, 0.2. You have to find the value of x. No. Suppose this is minus 2. So in this case, log of x for the base 5 equals to minus 2. It means x will be equal to 5 to the power minus 2. So x equals to 1 upon 5 square, which is 1 upon 25. Okay. Now suppose log of okay.